Are you looking for inspiration to decorate your dining room table for Mardi Gras? Well, if so, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here coming over from the challenge, welcome. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And in today's video, I am participating in the Mardi Gras Table 2019 challenge that's being hosted by Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan and Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Please be sure to check out their channels as well as the challenge playlist, which I'll have linked below in the description box. And now, without further ado, let's get going on decorating my dining room table for Mardi Gras. So before I show you my finished table, I thought I would give you a little bit of a view of how I put the table together. When I lay out my tablecloth, I usually start at the center of the table so that I can make sure the tablecloth is spread evenly around the sides, and then I'm just adjusting it a little bit. Then I will do the same thing with the table runner. In this particular one, I'm actually going to be using the reverse of the runner, but I find the middle of the runner and then I open it up along the length of the table. Then I go ahead and set out my chargers and my plates, and I am layering some things here just to create some interest. And I am just using everyday plates. I'm not using anything special that I picked up particularly for Mardi Gras, and you'll see that in a little while later. Now I'm just doing a very simple napkin fold. With the napkins folded in half, I start to accordion pleat the napkin. I go about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way along the napkin, then I fold it in half again, and with the edges that aren't pleated, I take them, make a triangular shape which I tuck into the rest of the napkin. Then when you open it up, it will look like a fan. And here is my completed Mardi Gras tablescape. As you can see, I have reused as my centerpiece the Mardi Gras tray I put together in another video. And I have moved the champagne glasses over on to the marble tray. And I had both of these sitting on a coffee table earlier, but now I've moved them to be my centerpiece for the Mardi Gras celebration. On the tray I have these masks that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. This centerpiece here, which I created actually for New Year's, but it continues to work well for these different holidays. And I have my champagne bottle with the beads around it. I have some more beads on the tray and spilling over the tray. And I revamped that gold tray in another video. And we'll link all of those for you so you can see them. And then on this marble tray, which I got on clearance from Target after Christmas, I have the champagne flutes, I have some cocktail napkins, and I have the bow that I previously made to bring in some of the purple colors for Mardi Gras. And I'm keeping my house a little neutral right now, but I did want to bring in a little bit of color for Mardi Gras. I have the purple and gold there, and I have some touches of green elsewhere. Now on my table, I have this Harlequin gold tablecloth. I usually use this around the holidays, Christmas time, New Year's, but I felt it would be perfect for Mardi Gras. And on top of that, I have this black runner. It's actually the reverse side of a runner that has some white and gray embroidery on it. And then for the place setting, I'm just using pretty much everyday dishes, nothing fancy here. I have some silver chargers, since my theme is silver, gold, white, and black. I have some white plates, some plaid plates which I got in the fall from Pier 1, And then these little inexpensive appetizer plates that came from the Target dollar spot a few years ago around New Year's time. And then I'm using my Rhine wine glasses since they have a green stem. And because I did not put a table pad down, I have these gold polka dot coasters that I'm putting under the wine glass. And then I'm just using my everyday flatware. I did show you a little tutorial on folding the fan for the napkin. I thought that was reminiscent of some of the headpieces that people wear during Mardi Gras. And then each place setting is slightly different because of the little appetizer plate. This one has gold polka dots on it. This one says cheers. And then on the other side, the patterns just repeat. The pop, fizz, clink, polka dots, and cheers. But I thought, why recreate the wheel? Since I already had this tray, I could use it as the centerpiece for my table. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Mardi Gras table and the process I went through to decorate it. Are you planning on decorating your table or other areas in your home for Mardi Gras? If so, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. As I mentioned, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, and giving me the thumbs up lets me know what type of content you like. And again, if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button. I'd like to have you join us in this community here. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.